Hello there. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of cookers and kitchen stoves from our country to multiple countries. Cookers and kitchen stoves are used for cooking, boiling, steaming, frying, and heating foods. India exports cookers and stoves to more than 34 countries, and these are the top destinations. And this product falls under Chapter 73, and the specific HSN code is 73211910. And more than 395 shipment took place of kitchen stoves and cookers as reported on 8th of August 2025. And during the financial year 23-24, cookers and kitchen stoves exports value reached to more than 6.03 crores of Indian rupees. And between April 24 and September 25, the total worth of export reached to 0.29 crores of Indian rupees. Key manufacturer and supplier you can find in many cities in this country, and these are some of the top cities. I hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request you to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video to book a complimentary meeting and learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.